Tara.
Asam ta? Sige, bye. Yeah! Yeah! Sumbong ta kasi mong mama. Hindi, magsakinan ko.
Ha?
Kaya basig magpalit ko ka ng jogging pants. Mag-ilis ko ron, padong.
Palit ka? Banta
Basin.
ta. Ato kong Kmart. Nagkidil nipis kaya kung ano.
Gasto na sa
Tara, Kmart ta.
Una lang, magkapatos pa ko. Ready na kay ka.
Dungan ta.
Sige. Ano ni siya kung kanang ngit-ngit kaya ng imong screen. Ya. Kanang may pwede ba ni? So, ano ni siya kung kanang ngit-ngit kayo. Nya wala ka focus ang kamera.
Makita na. Sony.
Ay, kuan sa likod. Kanang wipe ha. Kanang panahong when we are malasized by the road works, this is what happens. We encounter this, and this is my driver who will do the counter.
Let's make tuyok over there.
Yes, we will. I need to upload one of my vlogs.
Holy fucking shit.
Holy fucking shit, it goes there.
No fucking eating.
No, yeah, we can't. We have to go somewhere along the way.
Over there.
Oh. So actually it's around 11 p.m. and we're heading to the gym.
Now we're going to Kmart.
Yes, we're going to Kmart and
Yung kamuta.
Saka hold hands. Fire!
Hindi ka daw nagbay vlog ang kamuta.
It's really cold. We just need some loving right now. Okay. And I'm so glad I have a driver with me who's there to drive me when I'm so lazy. We go to the police station now.
I'm going to call the cops.
Okay, that's
Sorry,
this road work. And this is ISO 4000. I don't know how it goes on the... Oh shit! There's this guy here. I need to put the camera down because I might hit me with that lollipop. That stop lollipop.
Wait na.
Okay. Thanks, man.
You're a legend! You're a fucking legend!
Nanay makawalangan to. So they're trying to fix the road.
They're butangay some
asfaltize. That's Philippine term for nako. Bisaya nako. Oh, look at, they have the moon rover. And they have the tank here. That's the tank. Oh, and they're throwing out all the fucking things on the fucking tank. Oh, they're shredding the
ilang gitanggal ang road eh.
They're retouching the road. Oh, the color seems to look different. It's supposed to be green. I'll just color grade it later. Okay.
Light up.
Okay na ba? Face detection mo bitchagod ka ng contrast yung tanawan ba? Focus na.
Ako tayo mo. Sa ako tayo yung i-focus. Gusto na ako may face. Ay,
muna mo buhaton kada gabi padong sa gym. Magbagood. Tugnaw. May kayo ihag. Maghag sa biyasahay kung kanang ulay tao. Oh, makita mo juice.
Kailangan ko ba kung
Ni-stop na. Wala pa. Follow him on Tinder.
Dali ka. Dali. Ano ba ba?
Speed dead. Shit!
Ay, may focus.
Nasa jacket. Akong phone nasa squad. Ako to.
Si Miyabi, no?
Ah. Ay! This is what you get for going to the gym late. My eyes are red. I'm sleepy. Now I'm tired. That's all. He's on the gym just to text.
Flex.
Flex. Bro, pwede mag-spot. Dance. Dance. Oh, split, split. when you're at the gym? Hey, what are you doing, mate?
Just checking my phone. Smash! Ang kapoy mo.
Grabe kay kapoy kami sa gym. Daghan kami gibuhat. Pila ka bok. Tubig.
Fake guys.
Ay, yawi sa auto. Hi, tugnaw! Fuck you!
Record di ba? Ginawa ko.
Sige. Ha? Oh! Oh! Clean fun! Nagtuo mong unsa to?
Kuha siya.
Oh, kuha siya. Tugnaw kayo, no? Tugnaw!